There's an event that happens in Las Vegas once a month, and locals do not want you to know about this. What is up, everyone? This is George here with Vegas Must Try, back at it once again with another video. And today we're here at an event called First Friday. It happens once a month in the Arts District here in Las Vegas. This is a place where foodies meet the artists, meet the misfits, meet people that just want to have fun and relax on the first Friday of every month. So today I'm going to show you guys a little piece of what locals actually get into. If I can summarize what First Friday is basically a culmination of artists and food lovers, because you can find musicians here, performers, people selling food, people eating food. You see a lot of local businesses. You see but it's, oh, you have? Basically a bunch of stuff happens here, but mostly is related to art. And I would say you'll find, free spirits here, the misfits, the people who don't necessarily fit. And I consider myself one of those. Pretty much everyone's here around the same vibe. Everyone wants to have a good time, eat some good food, listen to some good music, and just in general be free and enjoy a Friday night. It happens the first Friday of every month, and it's been a tradition ever since I can remember. And it's a completely free event. They literally block off the streets. I'm in front of 18 Bin, and they completely block off the whole street. And there's food trucks here. There's local creators and vendors selling their art pieces. It's a super cool vibe. So right now I'm actually looking for my friends. They got dropped off on the other side of the street. And once I meet up with them, we're definitely gonna start drinking and eating some good food. So let's get into it. So I met up with my buddy Jose. You guys know him. He's been there. He's been around the block. So a lot of people come here for a lot of different reasons, but the reason why I like coming to First Friday is because of the food. And as you can see right behind me, this is like a whole entire street filled with food trucks. So right now, let's go get some food, and then let's also get some beer, right? Jose, you want some of that? You want some of that? Let's do it. Let's see what we get ourselves into. How many times have you been here at First Friday?
This is my first time here. There's a live music, a lot of food trucks, a lot of people, great atmosphere. I'm looking forward to it. Honestly, I'm kind of down for that, bro.
Yeah? Oh, you know what? There's another lobster truck a little bit further down that way.
Let's just try that one. Let's try that one.
Yeah?
Also, the sunset is
the sunset, dude. Look at the sunset, guys.
Honestly.
So this is the Hardin.
Dispensary,
yeah, local dispensary. They're giving me free weed samples. What's up, homies?
Look at the Instagram at the wall.
Okay, hold on. Let's see what happens. Okay. All right, so this is augmented reality.
It's a show.
With
It's a kind of show.
How much does it cost?
Is it $39?
$39? Okay. I heard good things about this lobster place. It's all the way at the end of First Friday. No, we'll get both. Yes, ma'am. We just got some lobster rolls of this place. I heard they're good. We'll see. They're from Connecticut. Okay.
Connecticut's down the street. Should be good.
Yeah, I mean, we'll give it a try, and if it sucks, we'll let you know. Those lobster rolls were $50.
Yeah.
For both. So, hey, they better be good,
Spicy? This is a spicy one.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at them. Okay, garlic butter.
Honestly, they look pretty good. Wow.
That's good? So you got the spicy one right there.
Fire.
Really? All right, so this one is the Connecticut. We're gonna add some of the lemon. Yo.
Right?
There's a Texas toast with the garlic butter. Yummy, dude. Why are lobsters so good, but cockroaches aren't?
They're like bigger cockroaches.
Yeah, big cockroaches.
Essentially, they're like the grandparents.
But to be honest, I've never had a cockroach.
You're gonna like that one, bro.
Yeah?
I promise you.
Yeah, this one looks like it's a little more saucy.
At the end of the day, it's all about the sauce.
Yeah, this one's
fire too.
This is so much better though. Yeah.
Everybody clap! Everybody clap! When I say make some noise!
I got to watch it free, bro.
Because I mean, they're making their money.
Hey, I get it.
They're making their money. I'm feeling a little thirsty. Let's go get a beer.
Let's go.
Yeah?
Let's go get a nice little brewski. Why not?
Let's do
It's a
it.
little hot outside.
All right, so this is 18 Bin, big place. It's like a restaurant slash bar. So Jose here has had already 4 drinks.
Some would say that.
Yeah, ooh, let's go. Hopefully it's mixed.
Why not us? Why not us?
If not us, then who?
Exactly. The straw was one of the best inventions ever made at this exact moment, bro.
Yeah.
31. It has to end with it. Yeah, it has to end with it too. So yeah.
Right. So I didn't record exactly how many drinks we had in there, but it was a few. Town is popping. Like Area 15 doing some kind of like giveaway here. You spin a wheel. Look at the line. Like, so right now we're actually gonna go meet up with some friends on the other side of Charleston, going to the south end of the Arts District. But this is really where the fun happens on a regular basis because most of the breweries are on this side. Look at the artwork here in downtown Las Vegas. Crazy. And then there's Jose. I'm George, man. Look, as you can see, the vibe here is wild. Like, it's active, you know? It's a good time. All right, so there's definitely like music here that I cannot play because we're gonna get copywritten. So maybe enjoy the music that I'm gonna put over it.
Lo nuevo de 2020, dos vacilones en la cama, esto es lo nuevo en el género. Vacilón, ella lo que quiere vacilón. Vacilón, ella lo que quiere vacilón. Vacilón, ella lo que quiere vacilón. Vacilón. Vacilón, vacilón, vacilón.
So this is a photo booth. Me and my brother.
I'll get real inside. I'll be right here.
Oh, keep talking. We have plenty of room. We have plenty of room. You gotta squeeze it. You gotta squeeze it. Hey, come on! Go, I was recording. Go.
My modeling career is over.
I thought we were hanging out with about like 4 people. These 4. And then basically this whole crowd right here. This is how it usually happens here. You just start meeting friends of friends and friends and friends and friends, and then next thing you know, you have a big squad like this. Hey guys, the other place is down that way.
So today we came to First Friday. We had a great time. We went to get some amazing food, but we had a few drinks. We're having a great time, and that's what it's all about.
That's really what it's all about. When you come to First Friday, you come with friends, you come with family, you come with your significant other, but you don't really know where the night's gonna take you because there's so many spots to go to, there's so many things to see. The vibes are pretty cool.
Right.
Everyone's like on the same unison, like, hey, you know what? I'm here to enjoy my Friday night, and that's what it's all about. So in case you're watching right now, let me just remind you, the first Friday of every month here in downtown Las Vegas, more specifically in the Arts District, there is a First Friday event. They block off some of the streets over there, and it just becomes cool. Every bar is popping, every like restaurant, there's food trucks.
Every food truck,
yeah,
you can get whatever you want.
There's street performers, there's a whole lot of things going on, and it's definitely a place that you should check out next time you're in Las Vegas, or if you're a local, definitely come check it out. If you like this video, please make sure to give this video a like, consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and then comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or if you want to make fun of us because we're both a little drunk and we've been, you know, messing around a little bit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace out, homies.